Into the 1331, we're back in with another banger unboxing. Today we got the Bionaire Humidifier.
Oh fuck, it's backwards.
Fuck. It's like black guys, they're backwards.
A pure indoor living, but what company? 99% Hepa.
Backward Bandar?
It takes care of black people, ragweed, pollen, pet, dander, dust mite, debris, mold spores, and
Wait, can't take out George Floyd, I don't see him.
Yeah, it was the black guy in the front.
That guy looks like him right there. Yeah, I can take him out.
Into 1331,
Let's use the tools.
I'll unbox.
I want.
Johnny, hands up.
I'm the tag team champions.
Hold the box.
I'll do it, you broken fingered fuck.
No, I'll do it. No.
You can't even do it.
Okay, I will.
Don't. What the hell? Okay.
Wait. It's gonna take 6 years. At 2 minutes, I'm just gonna end it. I do not care. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. When black guys were so broke, they couldn't picture this.
Over
Can I do it, please?
No, you unboxed the biggest thing of them all.
You like black guys.
No, I'd rather be, you know what?
I'd rather be asleep than be
No.
someone who died.
Okay, let's try. Don't, please.
God, keep showing it until it goes away.
A dead company, man. Like, what the hell?
This is the cheapest one Gay Raj Hall could get.
2000. It's an old one. You can't just buy it new.
Oh, two
It's like
homeless.
2002, probably.
Hold the box. Hold the phone. This guy's black. This thing's black, actually.
Yeah, it's cute.
I'm good.
It's like something else. It's not.
Fucking
N-bomb. Touch the broken fucking disgusting finger. Okay, just show the inside.
I'm gonna buy it. There's the inside. I'm gonna buy it.
Okay, the palm now quickly. Sideways little flip.
Got the Nigsha.
Cute little tool that can't get justice.
And bye.